Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create View Once media on the Signal app, so let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Signal app on your mobile device and log in. Once you're in, navigate to the bottom left corner of your screen and tap on Chats. This will bring up all your active conversations where you can select the person or group you want to send the View Once media to. Next, tap on the conversation where you want to create and send your View Once media. This could be a one-on-one chat or a group conversation depending on who you want to share the content with. Once you've opened the conversation, you'll see the chat interface with all your previous messages displayed. Now look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap the plus icon. This button opens up your media and attachment options, allowing you to access your photo library and select the content you want to share. From the options that appear, tap on the photo or video you want to send. You can browse through your gallery and choose any image or video file that you'd like to share as a View Once message. Here's the important part. Before you hit send, look at the bottom of the screen just below the text field. In the bottom right corner, you'll notice a small icon. Tap on this icon to enable the View Once feature. When you select it, the media will be marked as View Once, which means it will only be visible to the recipient for a single viewing. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to share sensitive or temporary content that doesn't need to remain in the conversation permanently. After enabling the View Once option, tap the Send button located in the bottom right corner to deliver your media. The message will be sent immediately, and the recipient will receive it with the View Once indicator clearly displayed. Once the recipient opens and views the photo or video, it will be automatically removed from the conversation. This ensures that the content can't be revisited or saved within the chat history. Signal is designed with privacy in mind, so it doesn't keep View Once media in your normal conversation history either. This means neither you nor the recipient will have access to it after it's been viewed, adding an extra layer of security and privacy to your communications. And that's it. You've successfully sent a View Once media message on Signal, giving you more control over your shared content. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.